Alright, viewers, this is Showbiz the way you did on Storm City right now. Charlie, me and my guys did the background. You bab. Some things they go on for the industry side. We like, as we did here, we forgive you the trending issues. First of all, if you go online, you will see say Burna Boy and Shatta Wale. No, first of all, it started from Shatta Wale in the medical them freedom concert they do for the stadium then. We like Wale pass some comment we say fuck Nigerians. Like they hear them support before he go hit, then some issues be like that. This be the video where Shatta Wale talk of we like it bring this whole issue between them Burna Boy and the whole Nigerians. This be the video.
You know, for this Ghana music industry, plenty of them. You know, for Ghana music industry, so they don't say I get this crowd and then they can't tell me say, me Shatta Wale, I don't go sit in my own stadium. But Ghana music industry. I swear. Hey, Ghana, when you do something, you are not the one any fucking Nigerian artist. You are the one you people. If you people be my Nigerians, if you people be my Americans, if you people be my Yankee people, fuck Nigerian artists. Give it to
That be the video. After this video, so many issues came up. Some they support Wale, some they against Wale. Then so many issues. But you see, if issue come on, before going into details the what we know the way it did, show say what we will take talk. And this is Showbiz the way it did. So the way it did to we want an opinion and the way we will see him. It be so we go give it to the viewers. Right now, make we talk of what Wale said. Like, make we go into details of what Wale talk. Wale say what? You know they hear Nigerians, them support before you go blow or something. Where he say, way back, Nigerians come Ghana, where they can perform for the stadium or the venue where Wale they perform before he talk that thing. Where he say after the show, they say go feel in stadium. So as he fill the stadium, where he throw that thing back. And he was like, Nigerians they support Ghanaian musicians. Make we take that one. Nigerians they support the Ghanaian musicians. Make we take that one. Then we go into consideration. Based on me, my view, I don't go to talk say Wale they lie or they talk truth. But make me that you see that. Then we ask one about this say when Nigerian or like some Nigerian artists be like the big wings, yes. Make we talk of Davido, Whiskey, then Burna Boy, yeah, these three, make we take them into consideration. When them sit where they do song, as they play right now, where we know say they the full arenas, they the sport places. When them they sit where they full say no, make a put so and so artist from Ghana from a song top. You see, after the issue, Whiskey can talk say we are all one Africans, we for be together and blah 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 blah. When Whiskey feature any Ghanaian musician, if you know be the Ghanaian musician where you go feature Whiskey. So if you Whiskey, you get those platforms where you go. Where you can't talk, we say, where you be one African. But what Wale talk, it be our. When you Whiskey, when you think say no, I dey support, like, I don't want to make Africa go far. I get this opportunity, so make I put it on for top. Recently, what? Whiskey go through the O2 Arena. We are with the Halam. How many Ghanaians you put for top? As they claim say you don't want to support Africa, then Ghana as a whole, like we are be one people. When a Ghanaian artist you put for top, you put King Promise for top, you know be favor. But what Whiskey and King Promise, they under that Sony record label. So if you put King Promise for top, you know be say you do one favor or something. It be based on management, like either the same record label top. So if they promoting record label. You know, we say they promote the artist or the country as Ghana or the continent as Africa. No. You see, recently, Davido was like, he give Daco Vibes feature free. Like, he give him first free, you don't take money. Yes. You know, we say the person go approach you, when you go talk, say, okay, bro, make I do give you free. But them Nigerians, the way they say that they support Ghana or they support Africa, make Africa go far. When they put Ghanaian artists for them a song to before, recently, how would you call him? Burna Boy. He featured, no, he was featured on Black Sherif's Second Sermon remix. You know, be favor. We dey talk him the way we dey see him on Showbiz the way he did. You know, be favor. We know say some time ago we dey talk Sakwa dey say what? He dey tap in the shine of the young one some time ago. If you see the song blower, then what? They try say they will tap in, then they get some chance or like they revive my career or something back. I know if you talk say Burna Boy feature, like he was featured on the Second Sermon to get or to revive his career. We know say Burna Odogu he did top, yeah, sure. But Charlie, Burna Boy once featured, he was once featured on this song, oh, Jerusalem. So Burna Boy want to talk say, you know say we get artists for South Africa, where they call him Master KG. So Master KG, his song started trend before he knows say he go feature such artists. Make we talk of the Ghanaian on Black Sherif. Burna Boy feature, like he was featured on Black Sherif song. So he want to talk say, you know here of Black Sherif, you know here of all the Ghanaians. So Black Sherif Second Sermon started make waves before he knows say he go feature on a song which is already making waves. And we Ghanaians, we are sitting back to think say no, he dey sport that he dey do we favor. When a favor he dey do, we see Nigerians they take we as fools. Make we talk him the way he did, because what? How many Ghanaians headline show for Nigeria? Me and you there, we Shatawale with them Stone Boy. 1 or 2 strong men go perform for Nigeria. Sometime ago with Xylophone, they want try expand them a brand go there. They go do show for the Stone Boy, they perform. Nigeria sit for staging back. They snap like they do normal chatting. They don't they watch one as Stone Boy what he did there. But if the video the Burna Boys come Ghana, we they see them like they be president. The convoy alone where we take they go carry them from the airport, bro. You know be joke. Ibab. This be some of the things we watch. Wale they want make you correct for the industry inside. Where after that thing now, as the thing pop up now, Burna Boy can talk say what? He get things he go talk, but if he say he go talk right now, the internet go make kata then some it should be like that. So you know go talk. So if me then you as the thing happen, Burna Boy say you know go talk. And that 25th where Wale talk the thing now. Burna Boy, the video then Wizkid, them on the Ghana. So make me that you we ask one about this why they no get show for them at hometown, or they no get show for them at country. When they lupus there, where always they don't want to come here, they can't do what? Can't perform for you or can't headlines we want programs for you. This Christmas, if the Nigerians start with the headline or one programs, how many Ghanaians headline shows for Nigeria? How many Ghanaians when Nigerians they do show, where they take them go there? Recently, Burna Boy carry a Black Sherif where they go perform for Burna Boy in show be talk like that. You know be favor he do the boy, bro. You know say people there where they food that vibe. Where you know say right now that be the song of the moment. If you come Africa hip hop right now, I go fit talk say what Black Sherif in his second summer with the trend, which Burna Boy take I read or it gets on way be where he take join way either the guy do that remix. So automatically boys go they expect what? No. Black Sherif for come. So if that one you go aside that one, when a Ghanaian artist the headline show for Nigeria, when a Ghanaian artist where like some Nigeria they do show, a Nigerian artist that are the big names we know right now, they do show where we let them go, like them also be part of that show where they go perform for them before. Make we put that one aside, make we go to the beef. Right now, as the thing pop up now, Burna Boy can't talk say no, and you know we talk blah blah blah. Wizkid was there, the video was there. Then Burna Boy, as that while they talk the thing, Burna Boy can't tweet first. We say you no one talk plenty issues because of what? You know say if you talk right now, the internet go do some way be like that. So what you let the Burna Boy son come out, can they talk again? You know be you Burna Boy alone be the Nigerian artist with the talk say what? They know they do so and so to Ghanaians. Why Burna Boy take the thing personal like that? Right now Burna Boy say either Wale, they can't they do some make a talk say some confusion before the net. If Burna Boy write for Instagram page, Wale to go can write for Twitter or Facebook, the Nibis, where they take they go. Where Wale say, okay, fine, sure. If you say you be what? You be killer where you know music insider. I call you battle. Make we do rap. Burna Boy can reply say, where Wale want them anywhere, the stadium or closed doors, they ready. Wale say the stadium. After Wale say the stadium, no. Burna Boy say, you know they ready give lyrical battle. You say one beat Wale. Me then you all know say Burna Boy get the body pass Wale. Burna Boy you go fit beat Wale. That one me I know you go fit beat Wale. For everybody to know. Me the Wale no they go gym. You the Wale they go gym. Wale was once your master and you were a militant to Wale some time ago. So you go get more loophole. So if you know say musically or lyrically, you know go fit Wale. That be why you were like, no, they make you take go on board. Fight. You don't want feast on Wale in blood. You don't want see in blood and blah 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 blah. Why if I take the thing go that level? Odogu Africa giant. Why if I take the thing go that level? Wale say what? Make you put one word. Lyrical what? Beef. Me the in the year Wale then Samini get beef. Wale then Stonebwoy get beef. Wale then Sag get beef. It be lyrically they do for the love of the game. If you did that way, say they claim say they support Africa, put like make we give this opportunity to the two of you. You know, be say like we they dare you or something, but at the end of the day, no, let's just try and put Africa on the map. Yibab. This program now, as we they do, no, is sponsored by Health Food. They do plantain chips. They get 2 flavors. It comes with omega and honey. So anyone you want to surprise your loved ones or anytime you feel like no, make I chew something, make I crack my bones and adjust once more. No. Before contact Health Food, the numbers they the line top there. You did a screen top, then you call, then you contact them. Charlie. So that be the way it did, how we they bring them to you. This is showbiz the way it did. And we are just trying to break up or we they try bring you what they trend in the entertainment industry right now. And it's between Wale and Odogu or the Nigerians. But Africa trying to take on World Cup. Don't forget, you will figure the Health Food for all the filling stations for Ghana here. Even some filling stations they are back for you, you will get them. That cry inside, you will get them for everywhere. This is DJ Wayek and I'm your host. Showbiz the way you did. Bad.